Cashless Society here again today with another video on the inevitable world of digital assets. I've had a lot of people ask me about how to use exchanges lately. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on Binance because Binance is basically the best one, I would say, honestly. But anyway, all the other exchanges are going to be very similar in how to use them. So let's just explore the website and see how things work. So, when you first want to buy, you're going to have funds on here. And if you're not going to use dollars, money from your bank, then you have to go to wallet and then to spot wallet. Okay, so within the spot wallet, you can come in here and you can search for anything. Say you want to buy whatever. What do you want to buy on here? You want to buy Cardano because it's not on Coinbase, even though it probably will be soon. But anyway, it's not on Coinbase now. So you come here. All right. First you can check to make sure they have it. Oh, yep, there it is right there. Okay, cool. What are you going to use to buy it? Are you going to use Bitcoin? Are you going to use Ethereum? Anyway, that's how you do it. Okay, so you find out. Say we're using Ethereum. So what you have to do is you come over to Ethereum or whatever it is that you're going to use and you click deposit, and then it's going to give you the address, your Ethereum address. And by the way, every Ethereum address starts with 0x, hence the term 0x for 0x protocol, the decentralized exchange protocol. But anyway, every Ethereum address should start with 0x, and so should any Ethereum ERC20 token. So anything built on top of Ethereum is going to start with 0x as well. So if you're using a phone, you can just scan this QR code, or you can hit copy address, and then whatever platform you're using, say you're on Coinbase. Once you're on your Coinbase, whether you're using the site or your phone, you would click on Ethereum. It will take you to the next page. There should be a spot that says Ethereum Overview or Ethereum Wallet. From there, Ethereum Wallet, you go to hit, it should say send or receive. You hit send, and then it will give you the option to copy paste this 0x code into the address bar, and that's all you need. If you're nervous, I would recommend sending just one, or sending just $10 worth. I don't know how much you're sending, but if you're just going to send a little amount first, make sure it went through, and then do it again. It doesn't cost you an abundance of money to do a trial run, just to have that peace of mind. So I would definitely recommend doing that. So that's the first thing. Next thing is, you just got to use the actual exchange. Learning how to navigate the exchange can be a little complicated at first. So, we're going to buy Cardano on here, and how do we do that? Let's go to the basic spot markets. This would be a really easy way to do it. You can just go click Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, swap to Cardano. Cool. But, so, if you go to the advanced markets, I can do a quick run on how to actually use these. Perfect in here. Let's search for ADA. ADA, there is only a Bitcoin trading pair, as you can see. So you would first need to swap that Ethereum to Bitcoin. So you go to Ethereum Bitcoin, and so your two options are always going to be to limit or market. If you put a limit order in and you want to sell Ethereum, you would do, if you did 100% here, it's going to set that asking price into this order book that's right here. So your order may or may not fill, and if it does, it might take a little bit to fill. So unless you're trading in large amounts, it's easiest to just go to market order and you hit 100%, sell it, or market order 100% buy. And that's how you do it. I would just recommend doing market orders unless you have a lot of money, because if you put a limit order in, it's not going to fill. Also, sometimes on Binance, if you do a market order at 100%, sometimes it might say insufficient funds to buy or sell. If you're trying to get rid of it at market and it says that insufficient funds, it's just an error in the system. Just move it back to like 50%, hit sell, and then try 100% again, hit sell, and then 50. That's how you'll clear out all the Ethereum that you did have. Just sometimes it won't process when you put 100% at market. Just something that happens on Binance. But anyway, just a couple things to know there. You don't really need to mess around with the limit order unless you know exactly what you're doing. Say you wanted to come in here and you wanted to sell, 10,000 Ethereum, then yeah, you're going to want to put the limit in. Because if you do a market at 10,000 Ethereum sell, you probably clear out the entire order book and you probably dump the price. And that's how, whales manipulate the price, basically, is they can just put some astronomical amount, sell it, and it will clear out the entire order book. Alright, so once you're done swapping for Bitcoin, now you have Bitcoin. You go to ADA Bitcoin trading pair, and you would do market buy at 100%. That easy. So whatever Bitcoin you had, market buy 100%, and then you can go back to the Binance page, go to your wallet, and you will see, now you would see a balance in there for your Cardano. Hope that was simple enough. If not, I totally understand. Sometimes it's hard to watch a video and learn from people. It just depends on your learning style, I guess. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Glad to help out with anything possible like this. If you ever have any questions, feel free to send me a message or send me a tweet on Twitter, comment, anything like that, and I'll try and help you out. I have no problem doing that. I like to help people out with this. So, yep, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the next one.